Hello there, my name is Caroline, and on this episode I'm going to teach you how to make a simple breakfast. If you're in a hurry, it is so easy. Stay tuned, give me that like, share this video. Yes. You're rushing to work and you want to have a power-packed breakfast and you just don't have so much time. We're going to make this breakfast in less than 10 minutes and it's healthy. For our ingredients, we need some spinach, your bread, slices of bread, some black pepper, some salt, eggs, and of course some browns. We're going to use a cup to cut our bread. So the first thing we're going to do is put our bread here, and with our cup, with our glass, we're going to cut just like this. And then you have pieces like this, just like that. You cut as many as you want, depending on the families you have. A piece like this, look at that. And then you have the, after cutting, you'll have something like this and the inside part. So we're going to place them here. You're going to use them. You can use as many slices as you want, depending on the number of people you have. So the next thing we're going to do is heat our pan. And then you're going to put some butter. Say just a teaspoon of butter, and then you spread it on your pan just like this. So the next thing you're going to do is put this part of your bread there, and then you're going to break our egg and put it in there. You're going to break your egg. Then this way you're going to put a pinch of salt and a pinch of your black pepper. And then you're going to put a bit of some onions in. Onions, finely chopped, just like that. And then you can just do a little mix. Just a little mix. And then you're going to put your piece inside there to close it up, and then just press it a bit, and then you're going to overturn this like that. Look at that, it looks amazing. Look at that. You can put a bit of butter around it. Remember, you can always add cheese. There are those people who love cheese. You can add cheese on it, but for now I'm gonna just do it like that. Then this is where you put your brown on top. finally put your brown, just like that. Look at that, looks so good. Just let it warm a bit. When your breakfast is done, look at that. We're gonna work on our second one. Say half a teaspoon. Make sure it's spread all over. And if your pan is really hot, you can reduce your heat. Look at that. That looks so good. So good. So the next thing we're going to put is this part, remember? Just put it there at the center of your pan. Make sure that the butter is all over. And then you're going to crack our egg. The procedure, just a bit of salt, just a bit of black pepper, and your onions, give it a bit of mix. Just mix it a bit. Just mix a bit. Then you let it rest just to cook completely, and then you're going to put our part on top just to cover it, and you're going to turn this. Gonna let it rest a bit. Going to turn this. Wow, look at that, so golden brown. It looks absolutely amazing. Yes. So the last thing you're going to put is your brown, just like that. Yeah. You can just make sure it's heat a bit. And your breakfast is done. Look at that. Look at that. Looks amazing. And just like that, your toast is done. You're gonna garnish with some parsley as usual to make it look so good. As we work on our spinach, look at that. Looks amazing. So for our spinach, what I love to do, you can wash them first. I'm gonna wash this. And just cut them into big parts, chunks, like this. Just cut them into big chunks, just like that. It's okay, because you want to have that healthy breakfast. That is fine, and you're in a hurry, so you don't want to take so much time. So the next thing we're going to do is heat our pan and put some butter. Okay, sure it's all over your pan. It will only take 2 minutes to cook your spinach, or let's say, okay, it will only take about 3 minutes to cook your spinach. So once your oil is hot, at this time you can put 1 Royco cube, or if you can go without, so that's okay, because I don't have so much spinach. I'm going to put that in. And then the next thing we're going to put is our spinach. Going to stir our spinach. Look at that, they look so good. Remember, don't put salt, because your Royco cube is already has salt. It's already salted, so you're going to just let it cook for like 2 minutes, 3 minutes. That's okay. And you can cream your spinach with some cheese. Yeah, but butter is already okay. It's already cream, you can see. The spinach is done. Look at that, it's so sizzling. We're going to put this in our side plate. And you have your power packed breakfast right there. It's so easy. So, hope you've enjoyed this. I'm going to have a taste as usual. We're gonna have a taste. Wow, look at that. If you can cut at the center, you'll be able to see how well done it is. So I'm gonna cut for you to see. Look at that, it looks so good. So I'm gonna have a piece of this. It looks so good. I love it. And it's so healthy. My favorite is the spinach, because you're gonna have that greens in the morning. It's so good. So creamy. I love it. I love them. They taste so good. So I'll let you go, but I hope you've enjoyed this episode. This is the reveal. In 10 minutes you can have this. If you've enjoyed my episode, make sure to subscribe, give me that like, share this video. That's it from me. Bye bye.